Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn what is upcasting and downcasting in Java with this simple example. Now look at this line, parent P equals new child. A child object is assigned to a parent reference. This is called upcasting and it happens automatically. Because P is a parent reference, we can access the methods available in the parent class such as p.add. Now let's understand downcasting. Here, we convert the parent reference back into a child reference using child p. After that, we can access the child-specific method using c.sub. So child to parent is called upcasting, while converting a parent reference back to child is called downcasting. Upcasting is useful for achieving polymorphism because one parent reference can point to different child objects. But be careful with downcasting. It is safe only when the actual object is of that child type. Otherwise, Java can throw a class cast exception. So remember this simple rule. Upcasting gives flexibility, while downcasting gives access to child-specific